Hey, bro, throw me this box, cuz. Huh? We're here today for an episode of You Make It, We Made It! Ah! Is this anyone's water bottle?
No clue.
The California Bank of Commerce? Oh. Holy. I'm not gonna lie, usually I have a pretty good idea of what's in a box, but today I have no idea. What's in the box?
I don't know what's going on.
Let's see what we got here.
Uh-oh.
What is happening?
That looks like 7-ply board. You got a whole notebook?
Oh! Uzi!
We're bouncing this. Sorry, whoever's walking almost.
What do we do, fellas?
Dear Braille, what the hell? Okay, we gotta read this note.
What the hell?
Dear Braille, 3 examples of variations on the 8 direction locking double spinning tailboard. The mini version is for JD. Bro, you're calling me small? Come on. Good luck. Have fun, broski. Oh my, what is this, bro? What is that, Elf on the Shelf? No, is it?
Elf on a shelf.
The parts that are obviously cheap Wally World decks make your don't break the model. This has 6-inch lightweight Lazy Susan spinners.
I don't get what's happening.
So it should flip really easily, but you'll only get so many attempts. Keep going. Oh, to assemble the heavyweight, bolt trucks to the capsule base first. So that's this one, right? Yeah, this is the capsule. This is so confusing.
Okay, well, that being said, we are going to swap roles. I'm going to take the camera and Derek is going to go have fun with this thing. And we're going to leave him all alone while we go to buy some baggy pants for a very top secret project that we're doing next week. So stay tuned, get ready, and Derek, Godspeed, brother.
Derek, good luck.
Try my best.
Good luck.
20 minutes later.
You've done it. Can you show us your masterpiece?
This was incredibly difficult to build. I did not understand it at all.
Hey, shut up!
Whole bunch of just pieces just laying everywhere, but little by little, this is the masterpiece.
Wow, look at this.
I was able
And
to
then
build
this spins fully?
360.
360, full 360. And it's a capsule board on the bottom, so it's not gonna break, that's for sure. And then over here, we have the JD size.
Bro, I'm a size 10 and like, that's so disrespectful, whoever created this. I don't appreciate that at all. But it is pretty sick looking, don't get me wrong. It
And
looks
this is the
pretty sick.
Kryptonics Walmart board edition.
Yeah, it's $50 you mean.
So should we try the Walmart board first and then go to the advanced one?
This one? Yeah.
No, that one's a pro one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, we start with this one.
Start with this one, yeah.
Yeah. He says that I gotta give it to the other people at my own discretion. Holy, look at when you TikTok, your back foot just goes all over the place. Actually feels kind of crazy. This might be good to, because if you just spin, it'll like help you. Oh, it does! Balances so your foot doesn't like touch, it's weird. When I spin, it just spins perfect. I'm trying to do it like a ripstick sometimes. I'm just like, this feels like a ripstick.
Oh!
Okay, these trucks are loose as heck. Oh! I'm gonna get that.
All the
That
vert
feels
skating in the world couldn't train him for this.
balance work.
Come on! Oh!
Let me just try something else real quick.
JD, it can't be that one.
Oh, get it done, JD.
It actually feels crazy. In a line.
What's happening, Dan?
Just, you gotta spin.
Come on! Oh, there it is.
Yeah. I want to hit a kickflip and a shove it.
You won't.
There's no way this is gonna flip.
Oh, no, you got it.
Probably would look cool in slow-mo. God.
Hey, your hoodie seems pretty accurate today.
I need sleep.
Spin it and spin it.
Come on, hit the kickflip, then we'll move on to the pro one.
Nigel, after I land it, I'm gonna see you try a pop shove. Maybe on that one though. Oh, it's spinning about. I felt like I was skating on a board with no grip, with socks on.
A board with no grip with socks on.
Yeah, slipping, sliding. Yeah.
Oh my God!
Twisted.
All right.
Ready? Sideways always? Wow.
Primo.
Nigel, I want you to try this. No, actually.
The note literally said, at JD's discretion. You choose Uzi?
I want to see Nigel shred this. It flips for you. I didn't even try to flip.
Let's see this. Somebody made this contraption?
Yes. You almost got body.
You would have just been sleeping on the concrete.
That looks so funny.
By the 9 divine.
This needs to get out of the way. All right, you need to go there. This is an all-star trick here. I think I'm just too tired for anything right now.
I got something that you may not be too tired for.
Oh, what?
The news that Snoop Dogg and Nicki Minaj are getting added to the next season of Call of Duty.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
I want to see you on this.
Well, you haven't even gone on it. So how you gonna tell me to get on it? You haven't even got on it yet.
Because I want you
If you
to...
kickflip it, I'll try it.
You're lying.
I swear.
No, you gotta kickflip. You gotta try it
No, if
regardless.
you kickflip it, I'll try it.
Yeah, but you gotta try it
No, but
regardless.
it's up to you.
Yes.
I'm putting it in your hands.
No.
If you kickflip it, I'll
Can't be
try
done.
it.
Can't be done.
That's absurd, JD.
Bro, you literally kickflipped a skateboard 6 feet long.
That was doable. This is not doable.
I could do that easy, bro.
Thank you for showing Uzi
Easy.
what a real skater's like.
Let me show you.
I'm a poser.
Oh, bro, I could varial flip this, bro.
What is going on?
I'm about to hit the DJ. The cricket, cricket. You ready for the cricket, cricket?
Oh.
Yeah, it's the cricket, cricket. All right, here we go with the cricket, cricket.
Oh, you're almost there.
How do you do anything on this?
Set you up, buddy.
What are you doing?
Let me set it up for you.
What are you doing?
There we go.
I hurt my
This thing
ankle.
is devastating. Oh no.
All right, well, I guess there's only one logical way to go.
Oh!
All right, you say. I tried to do a shove off.
Your jump onto it is extremely strategic and or accurate.
Agile, agility, agilonical. I don't know if that's a word. This is, what were you doing in your garage when you were like, bing, light bulb, let's do this. Let's have a pendulum skateboard on top of a death trap. I feel like it's cheating if I just move this out of the way.
Oh!
That's exactly what I was doing. I feel like it's easier on this one.
It is, definitely.
Ah! Dang it! Now I have to do it.
Woo!
God.
Oh my god.
That looks so sick, though.
Bro!
Holy.
Does that even count? I think I turned it. Oh, we golden. We golden. Barred it. Hope you guys are enjoying your time wherever it is you are. I'm gonna go work and kick people out. Y'all have a good time.
Oh, it's Smash Night tonight.
Smash Bros.
Oh my god. No way.
That's actually impossible.
Oh my god. No way.
That felt so weird. I want to try to get that in a line. Board slide and then do that 360 thing. I feel like I'm trying to relearn how to board slide.
Oh.
That is sketchy.
What?
That was cool. 720? Oh, it's 540. All right, here, game. Down the ground, the whole host. I wish I could go slower after that. Oh! I got that.
Body! Okay.
You gotta try it. That was clean.
Kickflip crook. Oh no.
All right, that was clean. You gotta try it now.
Oh!
Dude, that board slide felt crazy too because I landed sideways.
Hit the tray! Hit the tray! Redo the tray!
Come on, bro. I'm out here sweating, landing these tricks. You're not giving me no credit.
Hey, good job, Dan.
Thank you.
Wow! Amazing job, Dan.
Thank you. Now you gotta try it.
All right.
That was pretty cool, I guess.
What?
All right, let me get this line right now then.
Oh!
I'm not done. Are you kidding me? That was pretty
Let's
cool
go.
though.
Let's
All right,
go.
Uzi.
All right, Dan. I'll give it a shot.
What do you want me to do?
The big one.
What do you want me to do?
How about no? How about you try to hit a varial on the small one?
Can I just ride down
On
a
the
bank?
small one.
Yeah, on the big one you could just ride.
This is beyond, like, I've been filming this the whole time, and I came up with an idea for what this was in my brain, and then I stepped on it, and all of those ideas just went down the
I was
drain.
trying to say it's a death trap.
Okay. That is a death trap, brother.
Pleasure doing business with you. I feel like we need to get Glow on this.
3-block. I mean, he kind of tried, but.
Hey, Glow! I rode it down a bank and I almost died.
So you want me to die with you?
So I
Where's
need.
that?
I'm not able to keep him alive, but I know you can.
You think I could varial
I
this?
do. JD kickflipped it.
That's JD.
Uzi
though.
trade.
He didn't trade the big guy.
He could though. Just keep him alive for me somehow, some way. That's doable.
It might be.
Second try.
That might be the wildest varial I've ever done, honestly.
That was crazy.
So I popped off this two, landed on these two.
That's legendary.
I'm
You want to try to hit the rail?
Hell no, I'm gone. You are? See, sometimes you do legendary stuff like that and you gotta let it be done and let that be that, and so be it. I kept him alive for Gabe Crew 01.
I actually do have something I want to see.
What?
Is the mini ramp.
Oh, it didn't work. What satisfying. I think I gotta start off safe and ride it like this.
You're gonna try the small one?
No, but like, ride it not with my foot on.
Oh.
Oh, that's actually sketch.
Yeah.
I wonder if I keep my front foot there, yeah.
Oh. How are you riding that?
Oh, I have a good idea.
I already know what you're thinking. I already know what you're thinking.
Oh, that's weird. I gotta figure that out. Oh, man! Oh, yeah, I got that.
Hey, what if you get in a rock, but you're so in there that you do a 360 spin on it?
That is Maybe on a 50. I got that.
That was brute. That was honestly scary to watch.
I need to watch the Secret Valley.
A huge thanks for making this incredible You Make It We Skate It. If you have an idea that you want to send us, go ahead and email us right here, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. And I hope you go out there and learn how to skate. Now is your time.